We are taught about upholding friendships. Yeah, we are taught how to uphold relationships, because once you become an engineer, it doesn't mean that you are becoming a new creature. You come from somewhere, and when you see someone in danger, you don't just say, oh, it's up to him or it's up to her. You have to work as a team with your friends. You discuss, okay, my brother, the risks about this job are like this, are like this, are like this. So love your brother as you love yourself. We are not taught in class, but we learned it in the industry, because for while we see the accidents happening out of negligence, and if you are more vigilant enough, if you love your brother, you can warn your brother to say, my brother, this is not right, let's do this, let's try to do this. So we are taught about how to uphold family values, friendship values, relationship values, and respect for all your superiors. Yes, in college we are told to do respect our lecturers, but in the workshops, we work with the superiors in the workshop. So there are certain languages you can use in the workshop, but you also know that there is a superior among ourselves. So those are the values we learned in the industry, not in class. You know, it's difficult for someone who has done engineering to tell someone to go and do nursing or teaching. Obviously, I will tell you to do engineering, but I will ask you to do an introspection whereby what you want to do, you are able to achieve it in a specified time, and you have got the passion to do that. So I would love to encourage young men and women to do the engineering job, or the heavy equipment or automotive. Some say it's a dirty job. No, it's not a dirty job. The person who is doing it is just dirty, not the job itself. So if you have the capacity to do something, do it. If you have the qualifications to do something, do it. Don't be brought back or taken back by people saying there are no jobs. If you are in Zambia, Zambia is a training ground. There are a lot of countries which need engineers. There are a lot of countries. Talk of UK, talk of Dubai, talk of Canada, talk of Australia. If you can't find a job in Zambia, you will find a job somewhere. So just take up what your heart tells you to do. Take heavy equipment engineering, take automotive engineering, and you are good to go. I followed my passion, so that there are no accounting jobs. There are accounting jobs, but I'm working now as a technician. I wasn't working as an accountant. Why? Because I had the focus. I knew in the next years where we are going, we were going to have problems in finding jobs because of modernization. So just do what your heart tells you. For me, I can advise, do heavy equipment engineering, do automotive engineering. Every house, every home has got a vehicle. They need to service that vehicle. Be an entrepreneur. You're going to work in groups, establish your companies. You're going to work. So there's no job, yes, but there's always an opportunity for you to establish your own things. So don't be limited. No. It's not only for men. Heavy equipment engineering or heavy duty repair is not about men alone. It's about even women. You know, in heavy equipment engineering, we don't lift heavy things with our own hands. There are portable machines. There are a lot of lifting machines there which do the work. All you need to do is apply the knowledge and skill, and just little effort, and everything is done. Okay? So women out there, don't be cheated to say heavy duty is only for men. No. We have got ladies who are doing much better and good, more than us men, in the same industry. Heavy duty engineering, it is for everyone. As long as you are qualified, you are good to go. The training itself has impacted my life in the sense that it has made me realize my potential, that the things we thought there can be done in the Asian countries or European countries, we can do them also even here in Africa. Because the same principle they apply there is the same principle we are learning in college under Zamita. The only difference is the size of the components we are dealing with. Otherwise, the principle is just the same. And it has made me believe in myself. This career, I can do anything because I have the knowledge and the skill. So it has really changed my way of thinking, my way of acting, and my way of believing. Yeah, that's the thing. Zamita is an institute which is helping us engineers to be brought together nearer to the modern technology. Because if I tell you to say, when we started our course, like I said in the preamble, we started working on small engines, very small engines, 4D35, 4D36, which we don't even find in the industry. Yes, we do find them, but those small engines, they cannot even drive an earth-moving machine. It can't even drive even a big bus, even a truck. Those are small engines. But with the coming of Zamita, we finished our courses with a vast number of engines, huge engines. Volvo, we have got them, okay? Those D6, those engines are the engines we are finding in the industry. So Zamita, by its coming, we have been brought together and we have been reconciled to the moving technology, the dynamism of the technology. So Zamita itself, it played an intercessory role on the students, former students at Notech and the current students at Notech, that whatever you are laying hands on is the same things, if not the photocopy of what you're going to find in the industry. So there is no more gap. The gap has been bridged by Zamita. That's what I can say about Zamita.